1999 BMW 740i Sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 4.4 liter dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 5-speed automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Grill, headlights, all look good. Now, as far as paint, granted, it's black. You're going to see a few touch-ups, imperfections here and there. There might be a few spots that's showing its age a little bit, but overall, considering this is a 99, and again, it is black paint, still has a nice shine to it. Decent look. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see it from every angle. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished BMW M Series wheels, as you can see there, Michelin radials. Those are dated 2021, so you're aware of the age on them. You can check out the still pictures to see the tread depth and what there is for tread left on there. Also, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. A little spot down here where it looks like it's missing a little bit of the clear. And like I said, it's black. There's a few spots. It's showing its age. But again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches on that passenger side. Of course, leather interior with the black exterior and gray interior. Bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. I want to go through a few things on the miles, dash, and we'll get to that in just a bit. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Get a good look at the rear of the car. Of course, 740i, one of the big dogs back in 1999 for BMW. A few notes from the technician on this one I can hit real quick. Does have a new battery in it. The timing, chains, and guides were recently gone through. The front right fog light does need a bulb, they mentioned. Brakes are 45% in the front and the rear. Wipers work, but they mentioned the washers in-op, so you're aware of that. Once again, all those still pictures, check out the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these imports, no matter what type of import, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Let's go ahead and I want to show you the rear seating area in this car. Very nice shape and also plenty of room. Get an idea of the front seat backs. Of course, the early days of the cell phone that is mounted in the car. A little different than you have these days. And as you can see, leather in the rear seats, nice shape. A lot of seating surface. We want to give you the heads up on the headliner. Has had a little repair work there. Of course, power sunroof car. And all your modern amenities that you're going to have in a more modern car, of course, power windows, memory seating, power mirrors, power locks, dual power seats. You can see a little age showing on the seats. They're not wore through. The leather's just the dye coloring coming off it. Have dried some, so you have some of that kind of light cracking. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. And this is something I wanted to go over with you. All right, first of all, stereo system is working. Dual climate control down here, electronic dual climate control. You're going to see the little heads up right here in the check front fog lamps. That's that bulb. And then we do have some lights on. We have an airbag, ABS, and brake. This is just seat belt, so ignore that one. Otherwise, brake, ABS, and seat belt. Something else the technician noted, odometer's at 104,353. That is an op, so representing this as unknown miles. Spent the majority of its life in Kansas. I can tell you that. That's probably why the car looks so solid as far as lower rockers around the wheel wells. All of that. Go ahead and pop that hood, take a peek at that. Let's listen to it. This is a smooth running, quiet vehicle. Want to get into a BMW and a lot of bang for the buck. It's priced accordingly. A little TLC on your own. Save a few dollars, get into a very nice car. Reasonable price. All right, let's get this hood popped open. And after that, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It still dries out fine. We'll show you that in just a bit. First, let's look at the engine bay. Good look at the underside of the hood. Doesn't look like it's been driven in a lot of inclement weather. It's pretty clean under there. There it is. 4.4 liter, dual overhead cam, V8. And remember, mention the timing chains and guides. Redone, gone through, replaced, what have you. Clean engine bay, smooth runner. Obviously, you know these things. Pretty darn reliable, some of that German engineering. Running pretty smooth. 1999 BMW 740i sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 BMW 740i. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Very smooth, quiet running machine. I don't know about you, but this car was just different enough. It might be one of my favorite BMWs of the era. For a four-door. Very good performance. Acceleration is excellent, as you'd expect from BMW. The fuel gauge reads a quarter of a tank. Now, our speedometer is now working. The tachometer does work. The temperature gauge is right in the middle of the gauge. We have an advanced stereo system with push-button menu. The stereo is working, the AC is working, dual zone climate down here with easy to use buttons to redirect the passenger separately from the driver. Very cool. Heated seats. I see a button for heated seats right here. It is warm out today. I'm not going to use those heated seats. Brakes are nice and smooth. I have a moonroof over my head. Garage door opener buttons, which could be programmed. There it is again. You put your foot down, this car accelerates nicely. Very smooth ride. Leather bucket seats in the front and leather seating in the rear as well. Take a look at all the pictures of this BMW at uniqueclassiccars.com.